Hi all, welcome to my show. I hope I am audible. It's your foodie chef Swagata. I I think you are all well, and today it's a lovely evening and I am making two dishes. One is fruit and nut eggless cookies and another is sheikh kebab. So these are the ingredients I need. Just look at the ingredients. This is all-purpose maida. This is blended sugar, apple, and these are the fruits and nuts. Uh, we have dates, cashew, and raisins. That means cashew, raisins as kishmish, and dates is kajur. Okay, some butter and some milk. And this is Amul milk, and you can see the Amul products: butter, paneer, chocolates. Yeah, I'm using for this cookies. This will be our eggless cookies. Always we cook eggless things and without non-veg things over here. It's Amul, the taste of India. So let's start. This is all-purpose flour I'm using. Actually, I am doing the cookies first because I need the baking time. Yeah, I need the baking time, so I am preparing the cookies. This is the baking powder I am using. All the dry item, firstly I am mixing all the dry item. This is sugar. This is the measuring cup I have taken. I have taken 2 cups of maida, 1 cup of sugar. And whatever measuring things you have, you can use it. For mixing, I will use this whisker. Yeah, it's very easily available in the market. Now I will add the butter. Before you add fruits and nuts and all the uh, things like cashew, raisins, you just do one thing, use the liquid things, add it. It's all mixed up well, all the liquid item. I need this consistency for the cookies. Now I will add fruits and the dates, cashew and raisins. तो हम लोग पहले जो ड्राई आइटम था उसको मिक्स कर लिया, फिर जो लिक्विड लाइक मिल्क, वो ऐसे जो लिक्विड थिंग्स था फिर मिक्स करके अभी हम लोग फ्रूट्स मिला रहे हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? आई होप माई फ्रेंड्स आर देयर विथ मी. This will be a very soft cookies, so this texture is needed, and I will add some flour again. Yeah, it's almost done. So now I will grease my baking tray. With butter. This is pure eggless fruit and nut cookies. Yeah, it is greased. Now I will add. Now I have to use my hand for the cookies. You don't need a cookie cutter for this because this is soft cookies, so you don't need that. You can add the dry maida to the batter, but I am using it separately so that I can just make a shape. in my baking tray. Just type a texture so that when it bake, it will look good. Just see. Now I will put this in 180 degree for 20 minutes. So I will bake this cookies in 180 degree. It's already, my machine is preheated. So it's done. My cookies and the baking machine, and it will bake for 20 minutes. So while it's in the baking mode, let us start with Sheikh Kebab. Before that, I want to see my friends who are there, and always I meet with them, and it's a pleasure for me. Hi all. संजय जी नमस्ते, जयश्री जी, लवीना जी, तीर्थ जी, प्रज्ञा जी नमस्ते, मोहम्मद अरिफुद्दीन जी नमस्ते, रिंकी जी, पिंकेश जी, रचना जी, एमबी मंडल जी, अवानी जी नमस्ते, Smita ji. It's lovely to be here with you all. As you know, I am your foodie chef Swagata. I always come back. Yeah, and with Amul, it's a lovely journey as a chef, and you follow Cooking is Heavenly. Thanks for this. And आप लोग मेरे साथ हैं, यही बात है, बात ऐसे ही बनते हैं, और कुकिंग तो होते ही रहते हैं। आप जब देखते हैं ना कुकिंग इज हेवनली, तो वो हेवनली फीलिंग मेरे को होता है। आई रियली लव टू बी विथ यू, या एंड विजय लक्ष्मी जी, सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स, आई एम ग्लैड टू बी हियर। यू पीपल जस्ट you made my day, you know. हार्दिक जी नमस्ते, तारिक आमिर जी नमस्ते, निमिषा जी नमस्ते. Hope I am audible. Yeah, because when I do my shows now, sometimes voice gets strained that I really can't recall while I'm cooking. So it's a problem. So I always ask that whether I am audible or not. यासिर मनीष जी नमस्ते, सदाफ जी, जयती जी, कुरैशी जी, जयश्री जी, आकाश जी, सरोज जी, वनीता जी, अनीता जी, सुनील जी, नमस्ते। ज्योति जी, गिरीश जी, कुमकुम जी, संप्रत राज जी, नमस्ते। सुशील जी, so many friends. I hope you all like Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. This is my food blog, my YouTube channel, and the same name, Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. You will get all the recipes and you will enjoy. If you need to write to me, I'm a psychologist by profession. You just write to me at www.psychologicalways.com. I will answer your queries. So it's cooking is heavenly, heavenly with you. रामू जी नमस्ते, मंजो जी, जिग्नाशा जी, पुष्पा जी, रिजवान जी, पुरान जी. At most, how much I can read at a time, I am trying that. Welcome all, welcome to my show. This is your foodie chef, your foodie chef Swagata, and I am always with you. I am with Amul, and Amul has given us the platform to showcase our food and the creativity we have, and we have our food channels as I have. Cooking is Heavenly Swagatas. You just subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Insta and Facebook. Lovely Naji, Namaste, and all, Vittal ji, Ranjit ji, all are welcome, and it's a very good evening to you all, and welcome to my show. I'm your foodie chef Swagata. We are at Amul, and now I have to do my another recipe, that is my shish kebab, right? This is a pure veg shish kebab. So just note the ingredients very minutely so that you can prepare the same. Yeah. This is the mixed grain दाल, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, मिक्स दाल. इसमें रजमा सब कुछ है. ग्रीन मूंग से लेकर चने, और दिस इज a blend of all dals. This is I've taken this because for health this fiber and protein is there, so I'm using it as a base. So what I have done, I have soaked this dal, and then I have boiled, soaked for 4 hours and more. You can soak it for 5 hours even, and then you have to boil it, and then you will get this. After boiling, you have to mix it in the mixer, and you will get this texture. Yeah. So for shish kebab, this is the base, and what I have added with it is veg keema. Yes, some salt, and another thing, I will show it to you. I've used this chili flakes. Yeah. And I've used some masala spices like daily jeera, that is cumin and some chili powder, and another thing is जो हम लोग बोलते हैं जैसे धनिया, yeah, these are all mixed. So dhania and jeera is easily available, and these are the sticks I need for the sheikh kebab, right? When you are grinding this thing, this dal, this mixed dal, when you are grinding this thing, after boiling, firstly you have to soak, then you have to boil, then you have to grind. When you are grinding, mix a little water. Don't mix up and mess up with water. So you need this kind of texture. Just see the texture. And this is also keema. This is soya keema. So this soya keema also, I have just boiled the soya keema and added with this dal mixture. Is that clear? I think it's clear. And jeera and dhania is mixed, nothing else. So I hope, and salt is obviously, salt is very much needed. And this is nothing but besan. I will mix up a little oil. So if you just mix up oil, then it will be easier to put it in the stick. I hope you can see. This is the veg shish kebab, and this tastes wonderful. You just make and you just write to me. Place your stick जो भी होता है in front of camera होता है. Just see, I'm making everything in front, and I hope you will make it and you will cherish it. So मेरा शीख कबाब कैसे बन गया देखिए. It is almost done and it's too tasty when I will just give it to a fryer. I have one air fryer. I will fry in the air fryer, so it will take less oil. Yeah, and this is my air fryer. I will brush it with some oil. Yeah. जैसे हम लोग डीप फ्राई करते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल लगता है. सो आई रियली ट्राई टू अवॉइड ऑयल, सो आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग दिस एयर फ्रायर. फॉर एयर फ्रायर ऑल्सो यू नीड लिटिल ऑयल, but it's not that much. So now my kebab, sheikh kebab is going. Just look. This also I will put an 180 degree for frying and for 15 minutes. Yes. I'm checking with my cookies. I know friends are waiting for me. Uh, Welcome to my show. I'm your foodie chef Swagata, and this is the platform given by Amul. Amul is the taste of India. We all know we use all Amul products like cheese, paneer, chocolates, and Amul has launched so many ice creams, so many pre-cooked products, Srikhand, too, and Amul milk. So you know, without Amul, the morning never starts, and we use a randomly Amul product. So Amul is the taste of India, and we are with Amul. I'm as a chef, and this is a lovely evening, and sharing best of my dishes with you. And I'm always coming back to back, friends. So be with me, be with Moon, and be with all the chefs. Right, I'm preparing this thing. And let's see. Yeah. It's too hot. Yeah, my cookies are done. You can see. Now what I will do, I can't touch, you know, it's too hot. But this is soft. Yeah, just see the texture. Look. Look at every cookies. Look how it is baked. Lovely, it's smelling so sweet, and you really can't restrict yourself with this cookies. It's lovely cookies, and in the evening with tea, you just enjoy with your uh, kids and with your family. Just see, and this is very soft, and it's crunchy also. So this is my fruit and nut eggless cookies. All I've done in front of you, your chef, foodie chef Swagata. It's always, and then also if you need any assistance for this cookies, for the sheikh kebab, I will write down, and you will get everything in Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. Yeah, just go to YouTube and please subscribe, please, because I do everything. It's a hard work, so you people must, the way you come, all friends, I really expect that you people will will subscribe, and you will like the Facebook page and my food blog, that is Cooking is Heavenly. It's really heavenly experience, you know, with you all. And when I feed in my house, when the food I cook and people take it, वो जो मन में जो सुकून मिलता है ना, वो किसी से बयान नहीं कर पाते. I'm trying my best of Hindi. So this is done. This is the cookies. Now I will bring the kebab, right? Yeah, the kebab is going through. It is in the process of making. Let me see my friends who are there. Hi all. Welcome to my show. Bharti ji namaste, Deepak ji namaste. So many friends. If I miss somebody, please mercy me, because so many friends are viewing my show. It's wonderful to be here with you. Yusuf ji, Yunus ji, Hema ji, Danish ji, Daksha ji, Raju ji, namaste. Dayanand ji, Mamoni ji, Bhalani ji, Ankita ji, Pammi ji, Abdul ji, namaste. Welcome to my show. Vijay Lakshmi ji, CH Raja ji, Daksha Shah ji, Alka ji, Aibiro ji, Aarti ji, Sanjeev ji, Anand ji, Vandana ji, Manju Khemka ji, Anika ji, Nargis ji, namaste. Hello all. Welcome to my show. Please subscribe. Cooking is Heavenly. You will get all the recipes, and please follow my Facebook, Insta. In Facebook also, you just write Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. You will get my page, and you just give a like. And in YouTube, you can see all my videos. New videos are there. I know you will appreciate, and you will get all the recipes over there. And if you need any health related queries, just write to me at www.psychologicalways.com. You know I'm a psychologist. Obviously, I will guide you out. If you need my help, you just write down. Yes. Nargis ji, Mit Shah ji, Rajiv Rai ji, I Guru ji, Sita ji, Santosh ji, Arun ji, Ganesh ji, Pratibha ji, Kanika ji, Bharti ji, Darshini ji, Alka ji, R. Ronak ji, namaste, namaste. And hello to all, hi to all. It's wonderful to be here with you all. And this is your foodie chef Swagata. Watch Cooking is Heavenly. Watch my show with Amol. Amol is the taste of India, we all know. And if you have any health queries, I already have told, you just write to me. It's lovely to be here, and already we have done 2 dishes. Let me check whether Sheikh Kebab, right? Yeah, it's already done. Just see the texture. बाहर क्यों जाना, घर में इतना अच्छा खाना. So don't go anywhere. You just prepare your food with your hand and with me as a chef Swagata. and this is a lovely evening spent with you all. And this is your shish kebab, and this is your cookies, that is fruit nut eggless cookies. So it's done, and all the friends, thanks for coming, and always be there with me, and always like my shows, and always always be with Amul, the taste of India. And it's really lovely to be with you. And all the recipes are there, and you just check. Cooking is heavenly. Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. You will get all the thing. And this is your chef, foodie chef. And this is namaste and goodbye.